This is the car to suit the basic needs of 2011. Fuel economy on a great commuter vehicle is probably a priority for you, right? Low payments would be a plus, right? Well then, what are you waiting for? With an automatic transmission, power windows, locks, and doors, and controls right there on your steering wheel, you'll get what you need and where you need to go. This is a great, clean car and it's ready to roll.